Owóyẹmí, you're welcome. Hello, Owóyẹmí. Can you hear me? Owóyẹmí. Hello, Owóyẹmí, can you hear me? If you are in class, kindly indicate you're present. Hello. Okay, good evening. Okay, I saw your message. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen to please kindly drop on the group chat that class have started before I commence. I believe you can hear me. Owóyẹmí, can you hear me? Indicate if you can hear me. Okay. Now I'm going to start the class now. So I've opened a new sheet, and new sheet we are working on what? Automation. Automation. Now in Microsoft we have what we call the Microsoft Automation. That is the VBA, the micro VBA. Now the micro VBA, as I earlier discussed in our previous class, deal on what in interacting with one data with an interface to another database. So now let's look for the meaning of what micro VBA. Now, what is micro VBA in Excel? We are going to check what micro VBA in Excel. Now, micro VBA in Excel is a what Visual Basic application that automates repetitive tasks. Now, that what automate repetitive tasks Now, that task, we record it as what action or written code to manipulate what Excel object. Now, we have what we call the developer tab. I will show you everything. Most times in Excel, the developer tab is what hidden. Now you are the one to what bring out what your developers tab. I wanted to take everybody through that process. Now only you are in class. Only you are in class. And I don't know how it's going to be now. Okay? So let me just take you through. Now in developer tab, if you don't have it on your system, you come to what? Customize. When you come to customize, you look at what? More tab, more command. Now in more command, you can what? Choose for what? Developers tab. Once you click it, you add. Once you click the developer tab, you add. But I have already added my developers tab. So I've already added my developer tab, so I don't need to add it again. When you come here, you come to more commands, and then you add what your developer tab. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Oh, hear me. If you can hear me, you just explain what I said. Okay. Oh, hear me. You are mute. You are mute, and I don't like the way you are mute. I need an interactive class. I need an interactive class. So I don't know why you are mute. So please speak up. Speak up. Let's hear from you then. Speak up. How did I tell you on how to go about the developer tab? Okay, please join again. So Obichuku, you're welcome. Obichuku, you're
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Now we earlier discussed on what we discussed
Hello,
on
good
what
evening. Can you hear me now?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay, all right, thank you. I don't know what's wrong at the other time. So you said if you normally in most system in most Excel the developer tabs is always not there. It is hidden. So for us to make it visible, we have to come down to the tab bar at the top and click on more command. From there we can add our developer tab.
Good. Then we had our what developers
Developer
tab.
tab.
I believe you can see it, Obichuku. That is what we have explained so far. Now we also define micro VBA as Visual Basic Application, and it's an automation that deal on what repetitive tasks by what recording action or written code to manipulate Excel objects. Now to enable the developer tab, use your micro recorder to capture action and press that. So this is just an explanation. So I'm taking you through the practical process of it. So now I've teach you on how to go about getting what your developer tab. Now let's create our what automation. We are going to create an automation that deal on inventory system. An inventory system. Now what comes to your mind when you hear the word inventory? Obichukwu, what comes to your mind when you hear the word inventory? Huh? Hello, Obichukwu, what comes to your mind when you hear the word inventory?
Sorry, sir, I did not get the question.
Now, when you hear the word inventory system, what comes to your mind? Can you hear me? I
Sir, I
said
don't have it.
when you don't have idea. Okay, Owoyemi, please, what comes to your mind when you hear the word inventory system? Do you know what is an inventory system?
Okay, an inventory system is like a template to record details of purchase, details of documents. Example like when you are in a manufacturing company that you are producing some things, that shows you want to list the number of items you have, or in a supermarket you have a number to list or to count the number of things you have in stock. Hope you can get me right.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Thank you for what you have explained so far. So, Obijuku, have you heard about inventory system from Owoyemi? Hello, Obijuku. Have you heard his explanation?
Sorry, sir. Yes, I heard. My network was breaking.
Hmm. Okay. Now, for us to know that you heard it, please explain for us what you heard from Owoyemi. Hello, I want this class to be interactive. I want it to be interactive. Please kindly tell us what you heard from Owoyemi so that I can take you through the step of micro VBA. So I just want to break it down for you to understand everything about micro VBA. Okay? Obichukwu, you are silent and you're not active. So let's move on. Now I'm going to what create an inventory system of what CM Tech. So I'm going to write it like this: CM Tech inventory inventory system. Now, so now what do I need in an inventory system in the dashboard? What do I need? Now in CM Tech, we might have the employee name, the employee email, the department, and all. So now, Obichukwu, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Please, you are not responding the way I want it to be. You are not responding. Now, an inventory system is a systematic process of ordering, storing, tracking, and controlling a company goods, raw materials, and finished products. So I just want you to know what is an inventory system. Now, we are creating an inventory system of what CM Tech, and I want you to see how I'm going to do it. Now, this is an inventory system of what CM Tech. So I've created it. Now I'm going to need what some details. Now, what are the details that I'm going to need? I'm going to need the employee name. Let's say employee name, um, employee name, employee name, department. Okay, employee name. Okay, can someone tell me what I need? Just tell me, give me an example of what I need.
You mentioned
Employee
employee
ID.
name, email.
Okay, email, email, ID, employee, let's say employee ID, employee ID. Now, um, employee location, employee location, employee location. So employee location, whether it's on site on or online, offline or online. Let's say location. location. Okay. Now employee department. Let's say the department, employee department. Now we need other thing again. So employee department. Which other thing again? Which other thing do you want us to put? Now, so we are going to select. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, now we are going to select. Okay, let me add other things we need. So we need the basic salary. We need what? House allowance. Let's say allowance, house allowance. Let's say medical allowance, allowance. Let's say we are going to write net tax deduction, tax tax deduction, deduction. Now we are going to have our what net pay. So at the end of everything, what will be the pay of what that particular employee? So net pay. Now we are going to work on what formatting at the beginning of Excel. At the beginning of our class, we discuss on what formatting. Now I'm going to format this particular design, this particular interface to be like what an inventory system. To be like an inventory system where someone can what input his details. Where someone can what input his details. So I'm going to select. Then I'm going to come this merge. I'll merge cells. I've merged the cell. I'm going to what increase the fonts. So I'm formatting now. I'm formatting. I'm coming. So it's loading now. I'm going to format it now. I will increase the fonts. Make it bold. Okay. I'll apply bold and I'll make it be at the center. Should be at the center. Then okay. So I will highlight everything here, and I will double tap here. So nice, it's well arranged. So I'm going to also adjust this. So I'm going to make here to be a what at the center, it should be at the center. Oh, okay, it should be like this. Now I'm going to also add this should also be like this. So let's move it here. Okay, good. Now I'm going to what apply colors to it. So I'm going to apply colors to this. So I'm going to apply color. I'm still going to what I'm going to increase the format here. I'm going to format everything here. I'll highlight everything, increase the text. So I'm going to highlight and double tap. So it's just like designing, we are just performing some design. Now I'm going to what? Okay, now I'm going to also merge these cells together. Merge cells. Okay, I've merged the cell. Now I'm going to apply colors to it. To apply color, let's say, let's give it a nice color. Nice color to it. So we are going to apply one color. Then in this place where we are going to input our details, so we are going to give it a nice color and a border to it. So I'm going to use border. When you click here, you see the border. You will need the outer border, the outside border. Then we apply color to it. Okay. So now we're going to paste, copy, and click here. Click here. We just paste it once. Yeah. So we have already designed our interface. Hello, are you guys still with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
So we have already designed everything now. So I'm going to highlight the area, then I will remove the border, the outline. So there will be no border, no border. Sorry, I'm going to like okay, good, good. I like it like this. I like it like this. Let's leave it like this. So on your own, you can also make it more than this. You can make it look good more than this. Now I'm going to write here as what form, and here should be what database. Database. So good. Now we have designed our form. Sorry, form. Now since we have designed our form, we are going to what connect every form. We are going to what connect the form. How are we going to connect the form? We are going to do it like this. Copy, we come down here and we paste. Okay, sorry, I've not copied it. Copy, we'll come down here, we'll paste. So I'm going to paste it like this. No, I'm looking the method to paste it. Okay, going to paste it like this as values. I'll copy this again. I'll copy and paste it as values. Paste what as what values. Now I'll paste it as values. Okay, I've not pasted it. Paste it as value. So we have everything here. What is here is here. Now since I've arranged, I want it to join. I'll remove it. every row that is not uh, there's nothing inside. So I'm deleting dates. So are you guys with me?
Yes.
Are you following this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have designed our interface. We are trying to connect. Then we also connect our data, our dashboard, our database. Sorry for that. Going to also connect our database. Now look at it. So now for us to connect, so all these our inputs. These are inputs. We are going to insert, give it a data type. What type of data type do we need here? We need general. We need text, so it's general. Okay. Okay, I think I don't need the border for it from here. So I will delete it. I don't need a border. No border. In location, I don't need border. So I don't need color. No fee. So good. Now this location we are going to insert what button, and that button will be we insert two buttons, either on site or in online or offline. So now this we are going to also insert like a drop down, in the other department. So now here will be what general also. Yeah, general also. So here will be let's say currency. We choose here as currency. So we choose here as what currency. Now our currency should be what in naira. So I'm going to specify naira to it. So let me use this. Okay, now it's already in naira. Now I'm going to format the cell. Now what are we going to do in this format cell? We are going to custom. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. So we want to do something so that it will look like a drop down. So okay, we'll go for what we want it to be like a drop down. So please bear with me. I'm working on it. So with me. Format cell. Okay. I want it to be like a drop down. So let's exercise patience, please. Are you with me? Hope you are with me. Oh. Please,
Yes, I'm with you.
I want to hear from you if you are following. So I'll go over and over again to make sure that you guys are following. Okay. I want you to understand what we are doing. Now we'll come to what I'm trying to. I'm trying to validate. So Please, did you see where I went to?
You going
Please,
to data,
data what?
you click on data and you click on data validation.
Okay, yes, you are following. Data validation. Now, I click on list, right?
Yes,
So I'm going to write in in um, in CM Tech we have what the Python, comma. We have what the SQL class, SQL. We have what which other thing? Okay, we have the Excel, and we have what, let's say, the social media. So I think this is all. So I'll press OK. So how many of you are in? Okay. Now, did you see it has already show as what drop down? Did you see it?
yes,
So I believe you can work on it yourself.
yes.
Hey, I made
That
mistake.
that
Okay.
is supposed to be on department. Okay.
Yes, so I'm going to what interchange. Did you see it? I'm going to interchange it.
Yes.
So I need what the border here. I need the border, outline border. So now I don't need border here, and I don't need color. So now we are going to insert what under our developer tools. We are going to insert what an
Option
option
button.
button. So we are going to insert option button. What is happening? Okay. I don't need this. So I'll delete it. It's not coming the way I need it. Instead of option button. Is it option? I need option button. It's option button I need. No, it's option button I need. Good. We are going to rename the option button site and what or on site. Okay, remote. We are going to use remote. Where will be what site? Should we put site or office? Let's put office.
Okay.
Come, I don't need this. Okay. Mm, mm, Under the sites, it's not giving me that vibe. What I need though, it should be a click. There should be a click or okay. Mm, so here's the location. Okay, let's say this is location. Okay, so we have to interchange this. We have to interchange this. This should be
Location and
location.
department.
You have to interchange this and paste it here. Okay,
Yes.
under our location. So we we are supposed to do something. So what's under the control? Control. No, please mute your mic. Uh, you want to disturb us, ba? Hello. Hello, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
No, I want to do something. I just forgot something, so I'm trying to recall what's the next step. So we are going to select here. So I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's see something. Okay. Yeah. You see, that's a problem I'm having. It's a problem I'm having here, and it's not giving me what I want. Yeah, so there's supposed to be an option here, which I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing it, so I'm not seeing it. Supposed to be a control. There's a control here. It's not here, so I think I have to restart it again. So I have to restart this, then insert it again. Good option. I'm coming. Okay, good. Did you see? It's option I'm supposed to click.
Yes, I can see that.
So I'm going to choose site and what's on site. This is supposed to be, this will be site. Uh, let's say remote. Sorry, remote. Then we'll duplicate. Let's duplicate it. So I'm trying to move it this side. So here becomes office. Now, please take note of what I'm doing. Oh. Take note of what I'm doing. Now, in this site, we are going to what? We are going to the control and we are going to link a cell. Which cell are we linking? So we are going to link this cell, the location, we are going to link it. Okay, let's see. Now we have checked it. Now you see when we checked it, it's showing 2. When we click this, it will show 1. Did you see? Please, are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes, I'm seeing you. Once you click on the other one, it's showing two. When you click on the first one, it's bringing one.
Yes. So now let's I'm coming. So we want to reference everything, like reference everything now. So automatically we are referencing this one equal to, yeah, will be okay, okay. Here will be equal to this. Here will be equal to enter. So I'm coming, please. I'm coming. So so I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry. Now we are also going to reference this equal to this. We press our enter, equal to this. Press our enter, equal to the department, this. We press our enter. So let's see if what I did is correct. So let me click the SQL. Okay, its SQL is correct. So I'll reference the location. Okay, now this is where the this part comes. I'm going to write a condition, an if condition, if statement condition. So now I'm going to write a condition. Now what is the condition I'm going to write? I'm going to say equal to if. Now if this is equal to 2. Now if it's equal to 1, okay, equal to 1, we are going to type it as what? Remote. So it's remote, then comma, either remote on what? Office. Now press our command, then we press our enter. Now did you see when it's 1 it's showing remote, right?
Yes.
So when it's one, is showing remote. So when I click it, office, it will show office now, office. So it's working well. Now we are going to also reference this equal to this equal to this equal to this equal to this and equal to this equal to what? Okay, it's correct now. So since we have done this, okay, now we are going to add everything here. Please pay attention. Oh. We are going to what? Add. What are we going to add? We are going to add our basic salary. Okay. Now we are going to add, we are going to say equal to, now brackets. Now we are going to add this plus this plus this plus, then in bracket minus this. I believe you understand what I did.
Yes, that's just the manual way of calculating. That's just the way of calculating the net pay.
Yes, the net pay. So we minus it from here. So we minus this. Now, did you see we have already what calculated the what net pay? Now we have gotten this. Now let's fill everything. I'm going to use Moses. Emails should be cmokorie at gmail.com. Let's say ID should be this, and let's say remote. Okay, so let's say the salary should be this. Let's say the salary should be this. Now, how did you see this automation? How do you see this automation? When you see the automation, what comes to your mind?
Form, a way of
Oh,
collecting. When I say it is just a way of collecting information and have save it somewhere.
okay, good. Now, let's go to our database. Let's work on our database. Since we have worked on this, let's work on our database. So we are going to copy this. Copy, go to database. Now, when I'm pasting, you watch me as I'm pasting. I'm going to paste as what? Transpose. I'm going to paste as what? Transpose. Special. I'm coming. I'm going to copy. I'm going to come here. Special. Transpose. Value. Transpose. Okay. Paste. Now, did you see I've already what? Pasted it. Now, I'm going to highlight everything. I'll press the center. So I've already arranged everything. So I'm going to apply color to it. I'm going to apply color. So I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to select again. Oh, so so good. Now, since we have created our database, please watch me. We have created our database. We have done that. So there's something we called the macro. We are going to start our macro, our recording. Now we'll start it like this. We click, then we write it as macro theory. Now our macro, we have on it. So we are going to home. We are going to click this and we come to insert. Then we click here. We come to same as below. So we are going to come here. Everything we have filled before, we are going to select it, copy. We are going to come here and we are going to paste. Okay, now before we paste, okay, let's paste it. Let's paste it like this, value, transpose. Now, we have already pasted it. Since we have done with this procedure, we'll go back to our form. So we are going to clear everything. Because we are going to insert. So we are going to insert. So we leave it like this. We are going to insert. Then we'll come to our developer. We stop our recording. Now we have already recorded, bar.
Yes.
Good. Since we have already recorded, now we want to use our submit button. We'll come to our insert. We click on submit button, our button. We draw a button here. We use our macro theory. Then we rename it
To submit.
to submit. Now, since we have submitted, now we are going to let's see what we have done so far. We are going to insert name, email, let's say. We are going to insert ID should be, and we are going to add it as site or Excel. Click, we are going to add values. Okay, now let's see if what we have done is working. Good. Did you see our automation?
Yes.
How do you see it?
It make it easier for us to keep record of file. So
Yeah,
just like the name implies, repetitive of information. So You are collecting the same data over and over again. These and these are the data you are collecting. So once it's collecting it, it's saving it into a database, into a record, wherever we can look back to.
Yes, it also look like a website.
Yes,
It also looks like a website where you collect your information and it will arrange it in a well orderly manner in a same in a clean data set. So like this, you can create it in your office. If you have a daily task like this, you can create it in your office just for you to copy the Excel file and give it to whosoever that want to analyze your data. And it will be easier for the person because you have already arranged it. Do you understand?
yes,
Hello?
yes, I do.
You have already arranged it and it's working perfectly and everything is clean. So you can just be imputing every day you say you create it like this in the morning you come you insert the next day you go home and still your data is still there and everything will be arranged unlike you creating new arranging new database arranging it's like automated already.
Yes,
And also so if you want to submit it if you want to save it if you want to save it and you want to be using it every day you come to submit save. Now you come to save, please make sure you paid attention. So you save as. Now when you are saving as, you save to your location, you browse your location. If you are saving, please do not use what? Your normal Excel format.
from
If, if
okay.
you want to be using it every day, do not use your normal Excel workbook. So you can use what? You can use wait. Okay, there's macro enable worksheet. Did you see?
Yes,
Macro enable worksheet. You save it as macro enable worksheet so you can be using it every day. Okay,
yes.
okay. Now I want to show you other thing. I want to okay. Now since you have done this, okay, let's see what we have done is still working. Let me use Owoyemi. Let's say let's copy this your name, copy and paste it here at what at gmail.com. There's something I would like you to ask me.
What is that?
Just think of questions to ask.
Okay.
So let's see if it's working. Think of question to ask before I tell you what I want you to ask me. So
Yeah,
it's already saved now.
it's already saved.
So now we are done for this training and we are done for this course. So we successfully end this course. So please invite your friends, your relatives, introduce them to CM Tech.
Definitely, yes.
So now, what what do you want me to tell you? Think of questions you want me to tell you.
Have the macro we save as the macro VB worksheet. Whenever you are opening it, it will be opening it in a Excel format like this, or it will be opening it in a
It will show like
Okay.
this. Now look at it will show like this. Look at it. You see this?
Okay, CMT data
It's
analysis
different from
tools.
this. This is different from this.
Yes.
It will be showing like this. Now, there's a question I want you to ask. Now, this is the question. Now, what if you want to create? What if you are the manager of a company? Are you hearing me?
I'm with you.
What I want you to ask me